In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your website with Google, a crucial step in gaining insights and visibility for your site. To start, you'll first want to navigate to Google Sites. Google Sites is your go-to platform for creating and managing all your web pages. Once you've reached Google Sites, prepare to move on to the verification process, which ensures that Google can provide accurate data and insights about your site. The first thing you'll need to do to verify your website is to visit search.google.com. Here you'll find a button labeled Add a Property. Click on it. This will open up a selection for you to choose your property type. You'll be presented with two main options, domain or URL prefix. For ease and more specific control, let's choose the URL prefix option. Once you've chosen your option, click Continue. Now you'll be directed to select a verification method. Google provides multiple methods to verify your ownership of the site, each one catering to different technical capabilities and preferences. The methods you can choose from include HTML file upload, HTML tag addition, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and domain name provider verification. HTML file and tag are straightforward processes and involve inserting a code or file into your site's HTML. This is ideal if you have easy access to your site's code. If you're opting to use Google Analytics, you must have an existing Google Analytics account and the tracking code installed on your site. This is an efficient way if you're familiar with analytics. Similarly, for the Google Tag Manager option, you'll need an existing setup. These methods are typically faster for those already using these tools because they leverage existing integrations. Alternatively, if you use a domain name provider, you might prefer this verification. This method involves logging into your domain host and adding a DNS record. It's a reliable choice if you prefer working through your domain settings. Once you've selected your preferred verification method, follow the provided instructions carefully. Each method will prompt you with step-by-step guidelines specific to the option you've chosen. After implementing the required changes, navigate back to the verification page on Google and hit the Verify button. Google will check the implementation and, upon successful verification, will notify you that the process is complete. Finally, click Done, and you'll have successfully verified your site. Verifying your site with Google opens up access to vital tools like Search Console, where you can track performance, submit sitemaps, and gain insights into how Google indexes your site. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure that your site's presence on Google is secured and ready to grow. This verification not only improves your visibility, but also helps in optimizing your site's search performance.